Question 3 asks you to perform an independent samples t-test to see whether there are significant differences in reading comprehension between participants in School A and School B. You should report your results in written format and state whether the difference between the two groups is statistically and practically significant or not. Again, we will be comparing the participants in School A and B. Let's see how to do this in Jamovi. Once you're in Jamovi, you're going to click on T-Tests, Independent Samples T-Test. You're going to split the groups by school group by dragging the variable into the grouping variable box. Then we want to know how the school groups differ on reading comprehension. Drag the reading comprehension variable to the dependent variables box. Secondly, the question asks us about practical significance. We can determine this through the effect size. So please click on effect size. The results are presented on the right. You can ignore any warning messages for now. What do the results show? Well, we can see that the student's T statistic is minus 14.4 based on 198 degrees of freedom. This test is statistically significant because P is less than 0.001. What about effect size? We can see that there's a very large effect of minus 2.04. Now, which group did better? Well, you can go back to your results in question 2. Or you can click on descriptives on the left and it will remind us of the mean scores. So we can see that group C had 41.7 as their mean and group D had 74.9% as the mean. What we can say is that the performance on the reading comprehension test was much better for group D than group C, and that this reached statistical significance. This difference is also probably practically significant because of the very large effect size of -2. Please look at the slides for notes on how to report the t-test results in writing within your assignment.